Okay, so you've got 5 pieces. The first one is the pole with this wire on it, and then a tail, a Japanese lantern, the wire thing that holds the lantern open, and the head. And on this wire, you'll see that it hooks up here, and you can unhook that like that. And down here, these 2 tubes, there's one side that'll say tail and one side that'll say head. So you take the tail, I don't think it matters which end is up, and you put the tail through the tube onto the wire on the tail side, and then you go over here to the head and you slip the head tube onto the wire like this. You've got to kind of feed it through, but it goes. And then there you are. And here we have the Japanese lantern. Oh! And that is held open by the wire thingy that holds Japanese lanterns open. We put that through here, and that hooks up here, you know, like you've done for parties. Same thing. And then you take this, and here we go. See this little thing here? There we go, okay. That is a little Velcro strip. That is what holds our lantern in place. We put it down onto that. We make sure our Velcro is open on the top. We reconnect our 2 wire hooks that go like that. Then lantern and wire hooks and everything get strapped in with the Velcro piece like that. And there you have the fish puppet.